First part I'm going to do is start working a bit on the taillights. Now this is still a bit of a mid-tone, but it really will jump out. And the interesting thing about lights is that it's a really vibrant, the backlights, it's a really vibrant light, but it also has a bit of orange inside there. So, and then a little bit of yellow. And the same with the one over on this side. And the reason why is that you have a bulb inside there and you have a red plastic over the back light, so you still have the intensity of that bulb. It's not a red bulb, so it's filtering through a red plastic cover, but you still want to show how vibrant that is. So very lightly catch those reflections from those lights above as well as that backlight.